It's your girl Maya, and today, hello, I didn't touch much, but today I will be doing a seafood mukbang plus a story time, baby. And if you hear something in the background, my papa is mowing the grass, like right here by my door. Hey, yeah, I don't know what's gonna be on the title, but I'm just saying whatever the title say. That's what I'm doing. So, I don't know where I'm gonna put this seafood bag in. But I ain't got nothing but corn, shrimp, crab leg, potatoes, receipts. That's it. Well, my mama got a whole bag in there. And I ain't get it but a little bit. Hey, don't be grateful, I'm still eating. Got my water right here. Peptide. I don't know if I'm gonna do this for real. I don't know where I'm gonna sit it, but I'm happy with them. I'm gonna scooch all over. Oh no, I'm gonna scooch all over. I'm sitting right here. Yeah, I'm sitting right here. Got a bag at with the game. Oh yeah, I'm gonna sit right here. So y'all can see. Okay. Let me open the bag first. Hold up. Oh, okay. If you wondering, I got this one long. Well, I say steaks, but my mama said you would pronounce it like sake, but the Japanese say I don't care. I'ma say it steak. I'ma say steak. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so first I want to start by saying, send this to all your friends. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn that post notification bell on so you'll know every time I upload a video, y'all can go watch it. Okay? Period. I don't know if I said like this video, but do that too. But anyways, okay. I don't know how to start out. I'm gonna start by saying, okay, I'm gonna say this first. So, but first I'm trying to name him. Hold on. I'm gonna name him. I'm name Tommy. Okay, Tommy. That's gonna be his name, Tommy. So me and Tommy started dating around, what was it, November? I don't know. I forgot. But I remember the story that I forgot. I think November, October. I don't know. Anyways, he has me. I like him. Over now. Don't text me or whatever. We were going together actually, but I'm not gonna tell y'all that because y'all didn't know that we were together. That's it. That's all. No more. Period. And so we were being together for a long time. We've been like a year until I messed up, y'all. A year until I messed up. Now he said he don't remember, but I remember like either yesterday. Cause I remember all my stuff. And then I knew, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna go. But Yeah, we was going together. And for a long time, actually. And we finna make a year, the next upcoming year. Until so I get him on my Instagram, my Snapchat page. Why? Because yeah, I was loyal, he was loyal at that time too. So yeah. So tell me, well, one day, what is it? Tell me about one day I was gonna get ready to go on Snapchat. Like I thought I was gonna get on Snapchat. I think I was finna take me a video or take me a picture one. I don't know. I thought I was gonna get on Snapchat and just take me a picture or whatever. All of a sudden, I was loud out. I was like, well, what the hell I was loud out for? And see, I wanted to text him, but see, I was like, oh, hold on. Oh, I got to get my eye. Hold on. But see, I just put the area because I have my hand in here. But anyway, I wanted to text him and ask him why he logged me on my Snapchat, but it was gonna be too suspicious. So in my head, I was like, oh, I hope he don't see who I be texting him. I was like, but I really don't care because ain't nobody really in there for me to text and vibe with. Like I vibe for him moving on. And mind you, we was young. We was like in middle school. So it was like 13, 14. No, it wasn't 14. It was 13, 14. 12, 13 in the middle. But we was young, dumb. Well, I was. He wasn't. He's smart as hell. Like, he know, like, excuse my hair. Because I ain't put this in here, but I just did it so look good. Whatever. But, like I was saying, got off track. But, like, if he wanted to, he can figure out everything. But he do though. He do now, but back then he couldn't figure out everything. But now, yeah. But anyways. She's so lame. Anyways. Like what I was saying. But then, yeah, like I said, but then he just got everything and other stuff. So, he lied me out. And so I was just sitting there waiting for him to get done, waiting for him to text me. Tell me something. You can't log back in. Whatever. I was just sitting down waiting for him to say that to me. So I can log back in my subject and continue doing what I was gonna do. Okay. Excuse me, back in my head don't stay up. Don't ever stay up. But he didn't text me that. So I couldn't like but like let me move them. Wow. Okay. Anyways, my camera stopped working. Storage full. But like I was saying, what I was saying? Oh, I was saying, but he had text me that and tell me I can log back in or whatever. So he texted me something else. He was like, who's that you texting? I don't know who I was texting though. But he was like, who's that you texting? I was trying to play dumb. I think, I don't know. Half of the stuff I don't know, but I remember. Yeah. And so I was like, let me go see. So I'm back on Snapchat or whatnot and see who it was. I was like, oh dang, he done solved it. So you know me, I tried to lie my way out of it. Then he was like, no, whatever. So he broke up with me. And so you know me, girl, I was heartbroken. I don't know, but back then, bro, I I used to stay crying. But anyways, like I was saying. I don't know, but I used to stay crying back then. So one more time. Like I was saying. I don't know what I was in. I think I was on a part. I don't know where I was at. Oh, I was on a part where I said, wow, or something. I think. But back then, I used to be a crybaby. Put it out on Snap, video myself crying, put it out on Snapchat. And I gotta look back at it, cause you know, Snapchat got them Snap memories or whatever. So I look back at, like, I click on it. I see myself. I said, why didn't nobody tell me? And I was like, why didn't nobody tell me that this down? Cause I had embarrassed myself. These folks was like, why should I take that? I would be like, girl, nigga, I just got my heart broken. And it's my fault, cause I cheated. Oh, okay, Maya. And then this is garlic butter. And then back then, let me sit down. Boy. I used to be, man. When I say y'all, they also heartbroken. I told my friends about it, everything. Cause like, you know, everybody had kickback then. My bad if I really said it. I'm trying to do my phone. Huh? That's how I remember. And then like I see him at school, like my heart started. I was shy back then, like I don't know. I didn't used to talk a lot. So that's how we used to. Back then, I like it, baby. And I tell y'all was scared. Y'all was scared. But yeah. Whenever you decide, like if you're in a relationship and you decide he born, like you just decide you want to have test him out on the side just in case, you know, y'all be going. Don't get him on social media. Don't get him on Instagram, Snapchat. I don't care if it's Tumblr or whatever, MySpace. Don't, cause you gonna get caught. Just tell me. You know, you gonna be mad. Which you really can't be mad, but you did it. But cause at the end of the day, that's his choice if he wanna stay with you or not. It can be your choice because you don't did the dirt. He didn't. I think that's all. I don't remember much. Like, if I remember much, then I would have told y'all. But I just want to do a little video, a quick story time on it. So I just have to come on one time. I know some, but I just want to do a little quick story time. See, it would have been longer if I knew all of it, but you know, my brain know. But you like that. It was a long time ago, so that's all for this video. So today is the 4th. Today the 4th. So this video going tomorrow, which is the 5th. Boom. Cause it's a Friday. And now I'm gonna start opening on Mondays and Fridays. It's the next story time coming. So stay tuned for that. But Oh, hello. But that's all. Everybody stay safe, cause you know this one bad. But I'm out, y'all. Bye.
She got that wet shit, yeah. She got that wet shit. She got that wet shit. We can fuck in the back of my ride. On the balcony, all outside. In the mouse suite, we out of town. I'ma fuck till the sun go down. I want you want me and my love. I want loyalty, then I want love. Wanna argue with me about trust.